Hey Greg, it's Mark at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2017 Tahoe. Get you a shot of the engine compartment here. This Tahoe has under 5,000 miles on it, so it hasn't even had its first oil change yet. It's like new. Still under factory warranty. It's got the bug shield up front. All the paint, I walked around, there's no chips or dings, anything. It's all in really good shape. Like I said, just what you would expect with, I think, like 4,600 miles on it. Front left tire and wheel. Running boards. It's got mud flaps installed already. Left rear tire and wheel. It's got the tow package, Z71 off-road package, power rear liftgate, third row seating that folds down flat. Got the cocoa and dune interior. Right rear tire and wheel. Again, mud flaps front and rear. Got the all-weather floor liners. Nice leather heated seats. Touchscreen radio. Dual zone climate control. Actually tri-zone. It has controls for the rear as well. Bose sound system. The cocoa dune with this red is beautiful too. It really pops. Got a sunroof. Go around to the driver's side. Two-position driver memory, again the Bose sound, fog lamps, it's got rear park assist, lane departure, hill descent control, StabiliTrak with traction control, adjustable foot pedals, forward collision alert. It's got a driver information center that'll give you a lot of useful information right in front of you. Driver's seat bolster. Privacy glass in the back. It's a good looking Tahoe, Greg. I'm going to go ahead and get this video into Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you, and follow up to see if you have any questions. Thanks for looking.